Buenas tardes, profesor. El día de hoy voy a hablar sobre las mellizas Lisa y Mari. The twins, Lisa and Mari, wake up at 6:30 a.m. every morning. They get out of bed and stretch before going to the bathroom. At 7 a.m., they eat breakfast together. They usually have cereal with fruit and a glass of milk. By 7:30 a.m., they brush their teeth, get dressed in their school uniforms, and prepare their backpacks. At 8 a.m., their mother drives to the school. From 8:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. they are to school. They attend class, work in groups, and participate in different activities. At 3:30 p.m. they return home and eat lunch. By 4 p.m. they enjoy free time. Sometimes they watch TV, play with their dolls, or read books. At 5:30 p.m., they do their homework with help from their dad. They have dinner at 6:30 p.m. with their family, and they talk about how their day went. At 7:30 p.m., they take a bath, put on their pajamas, and head ready for bed. Finally, at 8 p.m., they go to bed while listening to the bedtime story. They do not use mobile phones. They don't watch horror movies, and they never go to bed like late weekdays. Thank you.